Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the correct blade and connector, measure the old blade or check the manual because fit matters. Once done, turn the ignition off and lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Place a towel under the arm to protect the glass. Now inspect the connector style, hook, pin, or bayonet so you know which release method to use. Make sure to support the arm. You don't want it slamming back. This immediate prep prevents scratches and saves time when you remove the old blade. You depress the release tab or withdraw the pin, depending on the connector. Use your thumb or a small flat tool for leverage. Once released, slide the blade out of the adapter while keeping track of its orientation so the replacement matches the curve and clip alignment. If it's a hook arm, rotate slightly to clear the latch. If it's a bayonet, slide straight out. As you remove the blade, inspect the arm and pivot for rust or bent metal. Repair problems now so the new blade seats flat and wipes evenly. You align the replacement blade to the adapter, matching orientation observed earlier. Push or slide until it snaps into place and you feel the click. Once secured, lower the arm gently back onto the windshield. Do not drop it. Make sure to test by running the wipers at intermittent and high speeds to confirm full sweep and absence of chatter. If you see streaks or hear noise, clean the glass, verify blade seating, and check arm spring pressure. Rebend the arm slightly only if necessary to restore even contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.